Let's continue, okay? So as I said that we were discussing October, November 22, paper 4, variant 1. Okay, everyone can hear me, right, students? Clear following, right? So we're starting with question number 1, that is basically on mensuration of paper 4, variant 1. So I've already found out the volume of the solid cylinder, okay? So the volume of the solid cylinder, which is basically a solid cylinder with the radius is 6 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter, okay? Then we have to find the volume of the solid hemisphere with the radius 6, and what they have given for an easiness is the volume of the sphere. Okay, guys, with me, everyone following? Guys, clear? Can you hear me? Everyone got it right? So we have to find the solid hemisphere now. So it will be, understand that volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. So for the volume of the hemisphere, it will be divided by 2. So it will be 2 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, understanding? Volume of sphere, जो complete sphere होगा, it will be 4 over 3 pi r cube. But for volume of the hemisphere, which is half sphere, okay, hemisphere is half sphere. Okay, guys, is everyone can hear me right? Following? Understood? Just like the diagram is showing, कि the half sphere जो होगा, उसका रेट, उसका जो वॉल्यूम है वो डिवाइड बाय 2 हो जाएगा. Everyone getting it clear with me, guys? तो अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, can I get response? Hello? If we divide this by 2, it will become 1 over 2, so 2 over 3 will be coming. Okay, everyone with me, guys?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
can I
sir.
get response? Okay. So what will happen? It will be volume of the hemisphere, that will be 2 over 3 into pi into the radius, that is basically 6 power of radius, 6 power of cube. Okay, so it will be volume, it will be this thing. Okay, so just do it in the calculator. 2 over 3 times of pi times of 6 times of cube. Okay, with me, everyone got it? So it is coming 144 pi, which will eventually become, sir, 452 point something. Okay, so you can write it down as three significant figures, 452.389. So you can write it down 452 as well. Okay, understood, guys? Got it? Or you can write to one decimal place as well. Let me know how many got this. Sure about it, guys, with me, so we can move forward quickly. So we got 4 marks
Yes,
for
sir.
this question up till now. The major part starts in the next part. Okay, is everyone there following, getting it clear? No doubts, right? No
Yes, sir.
problems. Okay, moving forward, let's take up speed now. For part B, what we have to do is basically the cylinder and the hemisphere in part A. So we have the cylinder and the hemisphere in part A. So they are take, as we can see that the question is linked from the previous part. Okay, the question is linked basically from the part A. So the cylinder and the hemisphere in part A, they are joined to form the solid in the diagram. So the cylinder and the hemisphere are being joining together, and they are telling us that the solid is made of the steel. This solid is made of steel, and 1 centimeter cube of the steel has a mass of 7.85 grams. Okay, so let's write it down, the information here, that they are saying that 1 centimeter cube of the steel have 7.85 grams. Guys, with me following? 1 centimeter cube of the steel have 7.85 grams, and they are telling us to do what? For 1 mark, they are telling us, students, to basically show that if we have 1 centimeter cube of steel, the same thing for in the kgs. Okay, is everyone getting it, guys, with me? Basically, sir, the examiner has given the question, has given the data in the grams. We have to convert this into kilograms. Okay, kgs में convert करना. Is everyone getting this clear, guys? So here we go, sir. We already must know, everyone should know that 1 kilogram is 1 kg is 1,000 grams. Okay, everyone got this? Everyone must know here that 1 kg is 1,000 grams. Okay, so if you already know that 1 centimeter cube is 7.85 grams, so you can write it down here, that 1,000 grams, if you put it here, how much it will be in the centimeter cube. Okay, is everyone getting it clear, guys? So just divide it, and it will be simple. 1 centimeter cube will be 7.85, or sorry, we can say 1,000 divided by 7.85. Getting it, guys? Clear with me? Following? Understood that? Is everyone getting it, guys? Clear? It will be the
Yes, sir.
opposite. Okay, 1 kg is 1,000 grams ना, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे कि we will write down 7.85 grams here. We'll write down 7.85 grams here, so we can find out how much is it in the kgs. Okay, is everyone getting this? So it will be 7.85 being divided by 1,000 to for getting the answer as, because just have to prove it. Okay, understood? Got it? Clear, everyone? Just do it in the calculator. It should be coming 0.00785. Understood? Everyone got this? This is proved, guys, for 1 mark. See if everyone got this clear on that, guys. Following? Understood?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any questions?
Yes.
Okay. 1 centimeter cube in kilograms is 0.00785, and 1 centimeter cube in grams is 7.85 grams. Okay. Any doubts? Let me know, guys. Anyone? Any problems? Guys, understood? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Move forward, right? Then what we have to do is calculate the total mass of the solid. Okay, sir. Students, we have to find out, calculate the total mass of the solid for 2 marks. What do we mean by total mass? Is basically we have to find out in the kilograms. You can see here, students, we have to find out what is the mass in kilograms. Okay. So already we'll have to take help from the part A because total mass will come out only when we have the total volume. Getting it, guys? Clear with me? Total mass will only come out when we have the total volume available. So we are going to take these two volumes available that has given, sir. Okay, volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the hemisphere we have already calculated. Is everyone there with me? Sir, volume of hemisphere and volume of cylinder we have
Yes, sir.
calculated. We are going to add them. So this is basically 1583, 1583 plus 452. That is coming, sir, 2035 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the whole solid. Is everyone getting it? 2035 is the volume of the whole solid. Is everyone with me getting it, guys? Clear? Falling. So
Yes.
2035 centimeter cube is the volume of whole solid. Now what we have to do is just convert. So we can take this conversion because we have to give the answer. So 1 centimeter cube we have just proved in the previous part. It is 0.00785 gram kgs. Okay. 1 centimeter cube is 0.00785 kg. So this will be, if I put it here, so at 2035 centimeter cube, it will be multiplied by that and you will get the answer. Okay. So it will be 15.97475. Is everyone getting it? So this is what's the answer in kg. Students can write this and basically you can write it to one decimal place, 15.9, or you can simplify it and give the answer as 16 kgs as well. Okay. Let me know how many got this. First page is done. We can say
Yes, sir.
medium level of difficulty, not much easy and not that much difficult, but see very important concepts. We have talked about hemisphere and the cylinder. Okay, guys. Let me know everyone got this clear. Any
Yes, sir.
questions,
Yes,
anyone
sir.
quickly, guys? Okay, sure about it. No questions. Okay, everyone should get this page. Okay, do take a screenshot, send it on the group as well, guys. Okay, everyone following clear on this? No problem, right? Understood, got it. Sure, moving forward, we have another, we have the question is not completed. We have part C as well, sir, and we have part D as well. Okay, students, we have, sir, part C and part D as well. Still, that is around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marks question still left. So let's try to talk about it. Must be linked from the previous part. They are telling us 2000 centimeter cube of iron is melted down, and some of it is used to make 50 spares with radius 2 centimeter. Getting it, guys? Very important to understand, important question to clarify. Okay, follow carefully. Okay, what they are telling us, that 2000 centimeter cube, which will be called what? 2000 centimeter cube will be called the volume, right? जो volume है 2000 centimeter cube, उसको melt down किया गया है and it is melted down to make 50 spares of radius 2 centimeters. Everyone getting it? How, what does spare look like? A circle type. Okay, a round ball. Okay, circle type round ball. Okay, is everyone getting it, guys? Clear? Hello, following? So what we need to
Yes, sir.
understand, we will first find out how, what it will take the volume for the 50 spares. Okay, if we have to make 50 spares, how much it will take the volume? Okay, because what we have to find is, sir, calculate the percentage of iron that is left over. Is everyone there? We have to calculate the percentage of the iron that is left over. So we'll talk about that as well. But first we need to understand that how much iron will be taken into account, how much iron will be used. Okay, how much iron will be utilized. Guys with me, everyone following clear on that? Is
Yes,
everyone
sir.
there getting
Clear.
it? So we have this volume. We'll find out volume of the spare, sir. So everyone follow carefully. We already know volume of spare is what from the previous, or they have already given here as well. We have, sir, 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, so we have volume of spare as 4 over 3 pi r cube. Is everyone getting it? We have volume of spare as 4 over 3 pi r cube. Understood, guys? So we are going to use this. We are
Yes.
going to put the radius. Okay, follow step by step. We are going to put the radius in it. 4 over 3 pi r cube. Get the answer. What is it coming? 2 power of cube. So I'm getting 32 over 3 pi, right? 32 over 3 pi. So students need to understand this 32 over 3 pi is the volume. इतना इतना centimeter cube use होगा एक sphere के लिए sir. So for 50 spares you'll have to multiply this whole thing with 50. Is everyone getting it? पहले मैंने एक sphere का निकाला, फिर I'm multiplying it with 50 guys. Is everyone getting it? So we are getting it as 1600 over 3 pi, okay? Guys getting it? You can do it in the decimal as well. Is everyone following? So can I get response?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got it, okay? So this is the volume.
Yes.
This is the iron metal that is being going to use, sir. This is the iron metal going to be used for the spare, okay? For 50 spares, the iron metal that is going to be used. So now you can easily do it, sir. The percentage out of the 2000 centimeter cube that we have available, 1600 over 3 pi will be utilized, okay? Divided by the, is everyone getting it clear? So what is the leftover? First, we find out what is leftover iron. Okay, guys, with me. First, you find out what is leftover iron. So leftover iron will be, sir, 2000 minus 1600 over 3 pi. Is everyone getting it? Understanding, guys? So this is the leftover iron,
Yes, sir.
2000 minus 600 pi, and you have to give it in the percentage form. So just always remember, it is what is the requirement. It comes in the numerator. Total original figure comes in the denominator. Multiply by 100, we'll get the percentage. See if everyone who didn't get it, let me know, guys. I'll explain again. Here we go. It's coming 16.22%. So one decimal place. I'll keep it to 16.2%. Okay, guys. Come on, waiting for response. Any questions, anyone? If you don't get it, ask me now. Okay, guys. Hello. Understood? Is
Yes, sir,
everyone clear?
clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mensuration. We are doing shapes, cuboid, volume, and will come more as well. Okay. See if everyone got this part. See, guys, clear? We need to do more questions as well. Confirm me if you got it, everyone. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
The next thing we have is basically for 1 mark question, they're asking us the iron ore that is left over is that made into a cube. So the iron ore that is left over is then made into a cube. We have to calculate the length of the edge of the cube. So it's very simple, sir. Everyone should know that cube have, if you know, if you can identify, if you have in the back of your mind what is a cube. Okay, so cube always have all the sides same, guys. Getting it? Cube is a 3D shape. Is everyone with me following? Okay, sir, cube is a 3D shape with all the length, with all the sides are same. Okay, so what was the leftover iron, sir? What was the leftover iron? It was 2000 minus this thing. So you can just try to get that in the decimal form. Okay, so it was coming as, if I tell you, it is coming as 324.48, something like that, 4839 centimeter cube. Okay, in the calculator, we are going to use this. So this is the volume for the cube, and everyone should know what is volume of a cube, sir. Volume of a cube is basically length into length into length, because all length are same, so it is L cube. Now what you can do is simply you can compare this with L cube, sir, to get the length of the cube. So it will be cube root of this thing, the answer to get the length. Okay, is everyone getting it clear with me? Guys following?
Yes, sir.
So it is coming something 18 units, okay? 18 centimeters is coming the length of the, sorry, not 18. I think I've done a calculation mistake, 324.4839. It is coming 6.8, okay? Is everyone getting it, guys? The cube root of the 324.4839 will be 6.87. So you can write down to three significant figures. One decimal place is let's keep it at to 6.87, okay? How many people got it, guys? Clear on this? Sure. Move forward, right? Understood. Everyone got this? No problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So we got that as 6.87 centimeter as the answer for part 2. Any doubts? Let me know. Any questions? Any problem? We can work it out, guys. Sure about it? Everyone got this? Clear? Hello. Understood? No questions?
Yes, sir.
Then next we have is basically a solid cone. Now this is a 4 mark question, students. Follow carefully. We have a solid cone and a solid cylinder. As always, I've told you that always when you are reading this type of questions, try to make an image and try to get what the statement is saying. So we have a solid cone which has radius 3r centimeter and slant height 9r centimeter. So what it basically means, let me make a solid cone here, sir. So this is the solid cone, students. Everyone getting it, guys? This is a cone, so you can make an imagination diagram. Okay, here we go, sir. The solid cone will have radius, so the radius is 3r, sir. Is everyone getting it with me following, guys? This is the radius in the red color, 3r, and the slant height is given to me in the red color as well. slant height is 9r. Are you guys with me following? Understood? Got the first statement information, I've written it, okay? Is everyone there? First statement information I've written, okay guys? First statement information I've written. Then we have a solid cylinder, which is basically this thing, and this solid cylinder. Let's try to make it a big. Is everyone getting it? Solid cylinder, guys. So here we go, solid cylinder coming in, and we can say that this is the solid cylinder, guys, okay? So we have again radius for this. The radius for this is x centimeter. Guys with me? Hello, can I get response? Everyone following?
Yes, sir.
Radius is x
Yes, sir.
centimeter
Yes, sir.
and height is 7x centimeter. So here we go, sir. 7x is the height here. Okay, so this is the information written for the cylinder as well. A solid cylinder has radius. And what they are telling us, the total surface area of the cone is equal to total surface area of the cylinder, sir. Total surface area of the cone is equals to total surface area of the cylinder, sir. So what students need to understand, that we will have to equate the surface area of cone with the surface area of the radius, okay? Surface area of the cone equated to total surface area of the cylinder. Is everyone getting it, guys? Clear with me? Following? Now, what's the main important thing? Solving is not the problem. It's just that everyone should know what is the surface area of the cone, total surface area, okay? For students need to understand clearly, they have clearly mentioned here, sir, that total is in bold, total is in bold here as well, okay? So पहले आप understand कर लें कि what is these formulas. So what is the total surface area of the cone? I'll explain you with the diagram only. You need to understand total surface area of the cone is this one, that is the area of the circle. If you're talking about cone, follow the highlighter, everyone. It is the pi r square, that is for this cone, for the circle, and there is the curved surface area for this part, okay? Blue color, the curved surface area for this part. So students need to understand the answer will be surface area of the cone is pi r square plus pi rl, that is the total surface area. Is everyone with me following? देखिए, ये फॉर्मूला तो याद कर सकते हैं आप, बट अगर अंडरस्टैंडिंग से कर लेंगे, कि डायग्राम को अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए कर लेंगे, शेप को अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए, तो ये बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा। कि हम पाई आर स्क्वायर क्यों ले रहे हैं? बिकॉज एवरीवन नोस कि पाई आर स्क्वायर क्या है? पाई आर स्क्वायर इज द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, और बाकी जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है ट्राइंगल जैसे बन रहा है, वो हम कर्व सरफेस एरिया कहते हैं, तो उसका फॉर्मूला है पाई आर एल, जो कि मेंशन भी होता है एग्जाम में। ओके, एवरीवन गॉट इट? गाइस, आई नीड रिस्पॉन्स। हेलो। द
Yes,
नेक्स्ट थिंग
sir.
विल बी
Yes, sir.
surface area of the cylinder. Again the same thing, डायग्राम से अंडरस्टैंड कर लें, इजी है। अदरवाइज जिसको याद है, वेरी गुड, याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लॉजिकल भी हो जाता है। दिस इज लॉजिक। सो दिस इज बेसिकली एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल पाई आर स्क्वायर, फिर एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल पाई आर स्क्वायर, सो 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर ये हो गए। एंड फॉर द मिडल वैल्यू, मिडल थिंग, इट इज बेसिकली we can say 2 pi r height, okay? So that is how it goes, okay? So it will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r height, okay? Everyone got it? This is the surface area of the cylinder, okay? First thing, everyone should understand this. Guys, got it? Clear? Following with me? Understood? Is everyone clear? Guys, got it?
Yes, sir.
Pi r
Yes,
square
sir.
plus pi r l is equals to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now we are going to put the values, sir. So pi into what was the radius for the cone? The radius for the cone was, sir, 3r square. Or if you can take common first, we should take common as well. Pi r common, and r plus l is left here, I think, right? Yeah, pi r plus l is left here, and similarly we should take common here. So 2 pi r and r common from here plus h. So 2 pi r plus h. So just better to take out common, guys, with me following, understanding. Is everyone getting it clear? That will help us solve quickly, okay? So we got pi into the radius of the cone, that is 3r, and the radius plus the slant height, so 3r plus 9r. Is everyone getting it, guys? Clear? 3r plus 9r is equals to, on this case it will be, sir, 2 pi. Radius will be, or first thing should be, better to cancel off pi and pi, okay? You can cancel off these pi and pi, guys, okay? Because what we need to understand now, let's read the requirement, sir. Given that r is equals to k times of x, find the value of k, okay? Is everyone getting it? हम solve नहीं कर सकते students, हमें ना height निकालनी है, ना radius निकालना है, ना cone का, ना cylinder का, हमें just comparison करना और k की value find out करनी है। Is everyone getting it? So you should understand when you have started solving it, you should look at the requirement of the question and then do it. Is everyone with me, guys? Getting it clear?
Yes, sir.
Following? Okay. So come on, quick, let's finish this. Radius for the cone was, radius for the cylinder, sorry. The radius for the cylinder is x, sir, and radius plus this one will be x plus 7x. Okay, is everyone with me following? Radius of the cylinder is x, sir. height of the cylinder is 7x. Any doubts? Anyone? Let me know, guys. So it will be, sir, 3r times of 3r plus 9r, that is 12r. Guys, getting it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can say 2 times of x, and x plus 7x is 8x. So here we go, sir. This is coming as 16x square. This is coming as 3 12s are 36r square. Is everyone getting it clear with me? Following? Okay. Is everyone getting this clear with me? Understanding? Any questions? Let me know.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So 3 12s, okay, so I'm getting 36r square is equals to this thing. So it should be r square is equals to 16x square over 36, right, everyone? And now we'll try to simplify. Guys, with me, everyone getting it? We'll now try to simplify. Is everyone following? Hello. So it will be, sir, square root on both sides to finish this off, okay? And it will be, sir, r left. And what is square root of 16? 4. What is square root of 36 is 6. And x will be left here. So here we go. Our k value will be, it's matching, guys, right? R is equals to kx. So you can say that it tell the examiner k value is 2 over 3. Simplified it in the most suitable, simplified it in the maximum possible form. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, which is the correct answer. Alhamdulillah. Everyone got it, guys? See how I got 4 marks. Everyone got this clear? Hello, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Make sure take a quick screenshot so that we can move forward to next question. Okay, both pages. This was almost 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 marks question on mensuration. Okay, 15 marks question on the mensuration. Is everyone getting it clear with me? Following? Understood, guys? Done. Move forward to next question. Hello. See if everyone got this. Okay, we'll move forward to next question then. One question number one. Okay, everyone got it, guys? Clear? Move forward, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have done October, November 2022, paper 4-1, mensuration question. Now we are going to move to October, November 2022, the next paper, paper 4, variant 2. It's a very important question. It looks easy before reading it, but it's a very common question in recent past papers. So follow very carefully. Might be expectation is that this type of question can come again because it is coming in every year. Once it is coming in every year. It's about luck which variant it comes in, but we need to be prepared for it. So I'll give everyone couple of seconds, 30 seconds to just quickly read this. Then I'll start solving this. Again, we have this as 2, 4, 7, and 12 marks question. This one is question number 11 for October, this is May, June 2022, paper 4, variant 2. Okay. Getting it, guys, with me following? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on, quickly read it. So we'll start solving very quickly this thing. Okay. Come on, guys, quick, everyone. Okay, guys, let's start working on this one now. Okay, is everyone there with me following? So what does question 11 offers? Let's write it down. This is from May, June 2022, paper 4, variant 2. Okay, a very important question. So let me explain the reasoning behind it. Okay, so they are saying that a rectangle sheet of paper. Okay, everyone there following? A rectangle sheet of paper that is ABCD. Make sure once we solve this, revise it again after the class. Okay, it's very important. Okay, a rectangle sheet of paper that is ABCD, sir. This is the rectangle sheet of paper, students. Getting it? it is made into an open cylinder. Okay, this is made into an open cylinder with the edge AB meeting the edge DC. Is everyone getting it? With the edge AB meeting the edge DC. Guys, with me following? So AD is 28 centimeter and AB is 20 centimeter. All the parts solving, जो है ना, all the part solving is very easy. First, second, third part, it's just if you understand the diagram, okay? Because if you don't understand the diagram, you cannot find out. You have to show that the radius of this cylinder is 4.46. And again, one of the tips, if you are not able to show that for 2 marks, the show that the radius of the cylinder is 4.46, make sure don't leave out other parts in the exam. Even on a, this is very extreme level, कि if you don't get the part 1 in the exam, don't waste time for 2 marks, try to get part 2, try to find out the volume of cylinder, because everyone knows the formula, pi r square height, radius you can take 4.46, because proof तो नहीं करना, proof नहीं हो रहा तो आप आगे solve करें, time waste ना करें. Understanding guys, getting it clear? ताकि time से वो end में check कर सकते हैं कि आपको आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. Is everyone getting it with me following? Hello guys, got it? Now,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
पहले
sir.
understand कर लेते हैं कि ये diagram, तो ये क्वेरी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि हाउ डज दिस डायग्राम इज बिकमिंग इनटू अ साइलेंडर. तो स्टूडेंट्स नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये जो ए है, ए बी जो है, दे आर टेलिंग अस कि ए बी इज मीटिंग एट द एज डी सी. आप इमेजिन करें कि क्या हो रहा है कि ए बी जो है वो डी सी पे मीट कर रहा है गाइस. सो वो कैसे मीट कर रहा है, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन कि ई बी डी सी मीट कर रहा है. तो स्टूडेंट्स नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये साइलेंडर ऐसे बन रहा है कि ये शेप काट के इस तरह करके साइलेंडर बन रहा है. गेटिंग इट? इसको हमने राउंड, जैसे हम पेपर को राउंड राउंड जो है राउंड घुमा दें, उसको राउंड टर्न कर दें, वैसे ये साइलेंडर बन रहा है. एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? आप बेसिकली एग्जांपल लें, अगर आपका कोई रफ पेज है, आप उसको टेयर करें, रफ पेज को बुक में से टेयर करें, और उसको जो सर्कल टाइप होता है ना, सर्कल टाइप उसको फॉर्म कोन, उसको आप राउंड एंड राउंड घुमाएं तो वो साइलेंडर बन जाएगा. इज एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? बल्कि मैं try भी करता हूँ, देखेंगे. ये एक पेज है, सही है. इसको मैंने अगर इस तरह घुमाना शुरू करा ना, ये एक रेक्टेंगल है, सही है. एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? रेक्टेंगल हो गया. और इसको अगर हम ऐसे घुमाएंगे तो ये बन गया, ये प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में हो गया कि ये बन गया साइलेंडर. देखें, सही है, ये साइलेंडर बन गया. एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? बात समझ आ गई गाइस? ठीक है, ये एक साइलेंडर बन गया. एक पेज है, रफ पेज, इसको हमने कट करके इसको हमने साइलेंडर बना दिया. रेक्टेंगल था और इसको हमने टर्न करके साइलेंडर बना दिया. अब अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये करनी है कि व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड के साइलेंट, अब ये हमें रेक्टेंगल की मेजरमेंट्स पता है. अब हम फाइंड कर लेते हैं कि इसकी मेजरमेंट्स क्या होंगी. तो इसकी कॉमन सेंस है कि अगर ये ए बी है तो ए बी पूरा घूम के कहाँ जा रहा है, ये मेजरमेंट हो जाएगी ए बी की. राइट? एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? तो हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर
Yes.
क्या हो जाएगा? लो गाइस, हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर क्या हो जाएगी? 20 सेंटीमीटर. इज एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? हमें क्या चाहिए सिलेंडर में? क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? रेडियस और हाइट इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? तो हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर विल
Yes.
बी, कम ऑन गाइस, थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्ड कर दे तो अच्छा हो जाएगा. हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर विल बी सर 20 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? बिकॉज वी नो दैट द रेडियस इज दिस थिंग सर. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स के रेडियस फाइंड करने के लिए क्या हुआ है कि हमने यहाँ से, हम ए से डी गए हैं. सो वी नीड टू क्लैरिफाई एंड अंडरस्टैंड के रेडियस क्या होगा. फॉलोइंग द लेटर, दिस इज द रेडियस. ओके, दैट दिस पार्ट विल हेल्प अस गेट द रेडियस. व्हाट आई मीन इज बेसिकली ये 28 सेंटीमीटर है ना, ये रैप हो गया है. ये 28 सेंटीमीटर की मेजरमेंट थी, ये रैप हो गई है, और ये अब सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल बन गई है. सो दैट इज व्हाट
So
इज
we can
गोइंग टू बी
divide it.
सरकमफ्रेंस. सॉरी, रिपीट करिएगा, रिपीट कर दो ना आप
Can
इसको,
we divide it
क्लैरिफाई.
by two? The radius.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वही तो, वो मिस्टेक हो जाएगी ना. सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल
Okay.
इज 2 पाई आर. एवरीवन शुड नो दिस फॉर्मूला. दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन्स कि जो सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल होगी, दैट इज बेसिकली 28 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू. इज एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? दैट इज हाउ यू विल गेट द रेडियस. ठीक है, फिर रिपीट करते हैं पॉइंट को. फॉलो केयरफुली अगेन. जिसको समझ में आ गया, वेल एंड गुड. इफ एनीवन डजंट गेट इट, हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं पॉइंट. 20 सेंटीमीटर तो क्लियर होना चाहिए कि 20 सेंटीमीटर तो ए बी से डी सी पे जाके मैच हो रहा है. ए बी से डी सी पे जाके मैच हो रहा है. दैट इज वाई इट इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड द हाइट. ए डी बी सी विल बी कॉल्ड द हाइट दिस थिंग. तो वो 20 सेंटीमीटर हो गया. बट ये डायरेक्टली नहीं हो रहा. ये जो 28 सेंटीमीटर है, ये डायरेक्टली नहीं हो रहा, ये बेसिकली रोल हो रहा है. एंड दैट इज वाई जब जिस तरह ये रोल हो रहा है, वो सर जब ये रोल होना स्टार्ट होगा तो वो सरकमफ्रेंस का सर्कल फॉर्म करेगा. इज एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? वो सरकमफ्रेंस का सर्कल फॉर्म करेगा. एंड दैट इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द रेडियस सर. 28 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू द सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. एंड नाउ यू कैन इजिली गेट द रेडियस, दैट इज 28 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 पाई. आप इसको सॉल्व कर लें. जिस इफ एनीवन हैव कंसर्न के 28 को डिवाइड बाय 2 कर लें, वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. बिकॉज आई एक्सप्लेन यू, आप इसको खुद भी ट्राई करेगा, द शेप विल चेंज. ठीक है, हाइट तो डायरेक्टली मैच हो रही है, मतलब यहाँ से प्लेस करा, वहां पर जाके प्लेस कर दिया, हाइट इज एग्जैक्टली मैचिंग। बट रेडियस जो है वो मैच नहीं कर रहा, वो राउंड हो रहा है, तो वो सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल बन रहा है। एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? सो 28 डिवाइड बाई 2 पाई इन द कैलकुलेटर गिव्स मी 4.456। तो हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया, 4.46 सेंटीमीटर इज द रेडियस। एवरीवन गॉट दिस गाइस? क्लियर? फॉलोइंग?
Yes.
ओके। अब तो इजी पार्ट है कि रेडियस आ गया, सो जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर, फ्री मार्क्स। ओके, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इजी हो जाएगा फाइंड करना। ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर विल बी पाई आर स्क्वायर हाइट। ओके, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज बेसिकली, सर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज पाई आर स्क्वायर height, so it will be pi into the radius 4.46 into the height, that is 20 because of this the height is 20. Okay, getting it guys? तो ये भी अप्लाई कर लें। Is everyone with me following? No. So I'm getting 1250, round off to, so 1250 I'm getting guys. Okay, everyone got this clear? Any problem, anyone?
No, sir. Clear.
So we have
Yes,
got
sir.
4 marks up till now for this question. Okay, has everyone got this clear? No problems, right? No issues. So we have got 1250 as part 2 answer. Part 1 answer is 4.46. And then we have students part C, where trigonometry is coming in for the 3D shape for 3 marks. They are telling n is a point on the base of the cylinder. N is a point on the base of cylinder such that Bn is the diameter. So let's follow the diagram again. What we have, sir, N is the point. If I can zoom in, N is the point. Everyone can see the point N? Hello. N is the point on the
Yes,
base
sir.
of the cylinder such that Bn is the diameter. Here we go, sir. Diameter form kar lete hain. Bn is the diameter. Red color, everyone. Red line, Bn is the diameter. What you have to find, calculate the angle between An and the base of the cylinder. Calculate the angle between An. Follow kare. What, as I always say, this is nothing, just reading the question properly. Between An find karna hai. Calculate the angle between An, sir. An kahan hoga diagram mein? Where is An in the diagram? Diagram में An, sir, here it is, brown color. Okay, everyone getting it? Or black color कर लेते हैं. Black color, A से N is this thing, right? Everyone getting it? An is here. And between the base of the cylinder is this thing, sir. अभी हमने बात की, diameter is the base of the cylinder. So we need to find the angle between An and the base of cylinder. We need to find the angle between An and the base of cylinder. तो सर ये हो गया, solve, prove हो गया. Is everyone with me following, understanding? So here you go guys, ये हो
Yes,
गया
sir.
proof solve. आपने यहाँ पर trigonometry apply करनी है, and you have to find this angle in the red color. This angle you have to find. Okay, everyone got it clear guys with me? Blue angle you have to find. So it's very
Yes.
simple, sir. We already know the height, that is 20 centimeter, and we just have to double the radius to get the base. Okay, so it will be what, anyone?
Yes.
Opposite over the adjacent. So it's a tan, right? Opposite over adjacent will be, students, what? Opposite over adjacent is always tan. Okay, so 1 mark is for applying tan. Tan theta, we have to find the angle. What is opposite? Opposite is basically 20 centimeter. And what is the adjacent? Adjacent is basically 2 times of radius. So to get the diameter, 2 times of 4.46. Everyone with me got it? So this is 2 marks, and 1 mark is for the answer, sir. Tan inverse of 20 divided by that answer will be our answer. Okay, everyone got it, guys? Clear? You can do it in the radians as well, decimal as well. Let's do it in the radians. Okay, everyone getting it? Sorry, you have to do it in degrees. Okay, everyone with me? Following? Sorry, guys, getting it? You have to do it in the degrees. Okay, not radians. Okay, so it's coming 65.96. Okay, 65.96. Rounding off, everyone knows it will become 66 degrees. Okay, everyone got it? 66 degrees will be the answer for
Yes,
part
sir.
3. Okay, for 3 marks. Okay, any doubts, let me know. I'll wait here. Okay, come on, this page is finished. Everyone can take a screenshot, share it on the group as well. Make sure revise it, guys. Let me know everyone got this. Any problem?
No, sir.
Guys, have
Clear.
a quick look at it. Everyone got it? Sure, right? No issues. Should be no problem, right? Understood? Okay. Guys, got it right? No problem, no concerns. Then
Yes,
the
sir.
next part is for 5 marks again. So we have the volume. The volume of the solid cone is 310 centimeter cube. Again, you can start with, sir, I will make, this is part B. Always remember, part A, all parts were linked, okay? When it's written part A, all parts were linked. Now part B is a separate question. The volume of the solid cone is 310. So they have, again, I'll make a cone, sir. Just make a cone for your understanding if you want to do it, okay? So here we go, the cone comes in, okay? guys with me? And they are telling us that the volume of the cone is what? It's a similar, okay? So volume of the cone is basically 1 over 3, or already they are telling us 1 over 3 pi r square height, okay? So volume of the cone is basically 1 over 3 pi r square height, okay? Just give me 1 minute, okay, students? Yeah, let's continue, okay? So what I was saying that the volume of the solid cone is 310 centimeter cube. So we have been given the volume. And the other statement is, this is not difficult, but it's just more steps and more parts, okay? So the height of the cone is twice the radius of its base. So this forms the second equation for us, that the height of the cone, sir, can you guys hear me? Hello, everyone, can, right? The height of the cone
Yes.
is going to be the twice the radius of the its base. So we can say height of the cone is means equals to, make a statement, okay, make an equation. Height of the cone is means equals to twice the radius of the base. Okay, so h is equals to twice means 2, r radius means r. So you can imagine that radius is basically r, or you can write radius is x. So height is double 2 times of x. Getting it, guys? That's it. If you ask radius is x, height will be 2 times of x. Everyone got it clear with me? So it's very simple, quick. Is everyone getting it, guys? Following, right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
just we have to do now is basically apply to get, first thing will be to get the volume and to get the x value. Okay, so 310 centimeter cube is 1 over 3 into pi into radius, that is x square, into height, that is also 2 times of x. Is everyone getting it clear, guys? Following? Radius will be x square, height will be 2 times of x. So let's simplify and quickly get the answer. It will be, sir, 310 times of 3 is equals to pi times of x into x square, so 2x cube, okay? So it will be, sir, 2 pi x cube. X cube is equals to 3 3s are 9, 9 ones 930 divided by 2 pi. 930 divided by 2 pi is equals to this. Should do it one time only, guys. Everyone getting it? Put the cube root one time only. Is everyone getting it? Me following? Don't put it in the calculator again and again. So here we'll go, sir. We'll get the x value. That is cube root of 930 divided by 2 times of pi. So I'm getting it as 5.28 something. Okay, everyone getting it clear? So I'm getting x value as 5 point. So the radius is something 5 point something. Is everyone getting it clear with me? Following, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So we are getting the radius something, okay. What we need to understand, volume of the cone 1 upon 3 pi r square, height. So height is 2x. Done it correct, right? Any problems, any mistake I've done, let me know now. Okay, this one is correct. We got something, the value of the radius, okay, students. So if we try to simplify it, let me try to, no, like we have to do it that way, okay. So we are getting x is equals to, or radius is equals to 5.2897. Okay, 5.2897. Is everyone getting it? Radius is equals to 5.2897. We'll round it off as well. What we need to understand, what is the requirement now? Is this the requirement? No, this is only for 3 marks. Okay, guys, this will give you only 3 marks. Is everyone with me? Guys, this will give you 3 marks. Only we have to calculate the slant height of the cone, sir. So now the further working for 2 marks will be to find the slant height of the cone. That is the black color thing, okay? To find the slant height of the cone. So here we go. How you can do it, sir? By the Pythagoras theorem. They are testing your Pythagoras theorem knowledge as well. You can make a triangle, sir, that you already know what is the radius. This is the radius, sir. This is the height, which is equals to 2 times of radius. Is everyone with me? Guys, getting it? We already know the radius. We already know the height because height is 2 times of radius. So can we find this? The slant height, everyone getting, which is called L. That is, slant height is called L. Okay, guys, getting it? So हमें क्या करना है? Simply
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras से apply करना है. So it will be, sir, this thing plus 2 times of that thing. So it will be a square. Let's do it completely and end में हम इसको कर देंगे simplify. Okay, so it will be a square plus पहले हम ये निकाल लेते हैं तो 2 times multiply by 2 कर दें इसको something 10.579 is the height guys coming okay so 10.579 whole square is equals to slant height square okay so just put L will be equals to square root on this whole thing. Was everyone getting it clear with me guys following?
Yes, sir.
Square root on this whole answer, whatever it's coming in the calculator, and then we can simplify it to one decimal place or whatever it is. Okay, guys, with me, everyone. 5.2897 whole square plus 10.579 whole square. That is coming in square root on that. Just do it exactly. I'm getting 11.82777. So the answer will be 11.8, one decimal place, or three significant figures you can call. Is everyone got this, guys? Clear, understood? With this question also gets completed. Is everyone with me following? Clear, guys? Hello, understood? Part B is done.
Yes, sir.
11A and part B.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so we have got 15 marks for this. Okay, we have got 15 marks, 12 marks, I think. Yeah, 12 marks for this question for May, June 2022 paper 4-2. Right, guys, everyone got it? Move forward. Do take a screenshot quickly. Any point I have to repeat, let me know. I can repeat it. Okay, if you think I'm going fast, let me know. I'll repeat it for you guys. Hello, understood? Everyone got it right?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
understood, guys? Okay. So we have another question which is also a bit lengthy. Let's try to start and see till where we can understand. Okay. This is coming from October, November 2022 and paper 4 variant 3. Okay. This is coming from October, November 2022, paper 4 variant 3. Understood? Guys with me following? So this is one question says that the diagram shows a water tray in the shape of a prism. So this is a water tray, something in the shape of a prism. The prism has a cross section in the shape of an isosceles trapezium. Okay. So the prism will have a cross section in the shape of isosceles trapezium. This is basically what they're talking about from the isosceles trapezium. Show that the volume of the water in the tray or tray is 206.4 liters. Everyone getting it, guys? Clear? Following? Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
how do you find the volume for these cases? Always remember, it's the volume is equals to the base area into the height. Okay, base area into the length or the measurement. I think base area into height. Okay, is everyone getting it with me? It's the base area into the height, or you can call it the length. Okay, is everyone getting it, guys? Following? So what you need to understand that you just have to find to get the volume of this thing, students. To get the volume of this thing, sir, what we need is basically to find the volume of area of the base, which is the trapezium. Okay, is everyone with me? I have to find the area of the trapezium, that is the base area, multiply by the length. Okay, is everyone getting it? That's how we find volume for these type of figures. Okay, everyone got it? Everyone on point with me? I'll repeat. जब भी ऐसे shapes figures हो जहाँ पर एक base given हो, so all try to find out the area of that base, multiply by the length, and we will get it. Okay, everyone got it, guys? Clear? Understood? So it will be, sir, the base area will be the
Yes.
area of the trapezium half into height. Height is 40 centimeter. Must know, students. Height is this thing, sir. Height is 40 centimeter. And we have the some of the adjacent sides are 50 plus 36. Okay. Some of the adjacent sides are 50 plus 36. So it will be 50 plus 36. Some of the adjacent sides. Okay. Got it? Half into this is the area of the trapezium multiply by the problem. The problem is you have to read the question carefully, okay? One of the length is 50 centimeter, one of the length is 36 centimeter. Your eyes should be wide open because यहाँ पर उन्होंने measurements mention नहीं करी है, ठीक है students? Measurement mention नहीं करी है 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter. This is 1.2 meter. Getting it the problem? And the mathematics rule is you can't solve it if the measurements are different, guys. Everyone getting it? Basic rules, okay? Basic rules of the game is you can't compete if the measurement is wrong, okay? So it will be change it. I can change it, okay? That is 1 meter is 100 centimeter, right? So we have to do 1.2 meter will be 120 centimeter. Guys, getting it? So this will multiply 120, not 1.2. Common major mistake will be that students must have done what? Guys with me following the students what have the
Yes,
students
sir.
done कि उन्होंने 1.2 ले लिया होगा इस एग्जाम पेपर में हालांकि 120 लेना था या तो आप सारे सब measurements को either you should convert all the measurements to meter which will take time so the good thing the sensible thing is एज अ स्टूडेंट यू शुड बी कि सर एक मेजरमेंट डिफरेंट है, बाकी सब सेम है, सेंटीमीटर्स में है, तो खाली जो जो डिफरेंट है उसको चेंज करते हैं, रेस्ट ऑफ द चेंज करेंगे तो टाइम लग जाएगा एंड टाइम वेस्ट होगा. इज एवरीवन गॉट दिस क्लियर? कॉमन सेंस,
Yes,
राइट?
sir.
एवरीवन गॉट इट क्लियर? तो आप वॉल्यूम निकाल
Yes.
लें. फिर मेक श्योर कन्वर्जन्स आने चाहिए. कन्वर्जन्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई एम गेटिंग दिस आंसर एज 206, 2,06,400 centimeter cube is my answer. Okay, guys, getting it clear with me? So volume of this shape, volume of this water tray in the shape of a prism, it's given. Everyone got 5 part A, that we are getting the answer in the centimeter cube, that is 2,06,400 as the volume of this. But they are asking us to prove that the volume in liters. So again, the conversion will come in that students must know. 1 liter is basically, sir, 1,000 centimeter cube. Okay, 1 liter is equals to 1,000 centimeter cube. Guys, got it? So it will be 206,400 centimeter cube. When you convert it into liters, divided by 1,000, so 206,400 divided by 1,000, it will come 206.4 liters. Okay, understood, guys? That's how you will prove for the examiner. Let me know everyone got this clear? Crystal clear, should be crystal clear, guys. Understood? No.
Yes, sir.
So we got that as 206.4. Okay, everyone sure about it? No problems? Any doubts in part A, guys? Any doubts in part A? Come on, quickly let me know. Any doubts
No,
in part
sir.
A or not? The next thing is simple, very easy. Always remember they will test time in these conversions as well. The water from the tray is emptied at a rate of 600 ml per second. Practical life question. एक सेकंड में you can do it in your kitchen as well. आप देखें कितना टाइम में कितना पानी एक बकेट में जा रहा है. These are the type of practical things. Okay, so 1 second it is basically 600 ml per second. Okay, so 1 second में water जो straw में जो empty हो रहा है, मतलब यहाँ से आप पानी को निकाल रहे हैं, pani is going, water is flowing out of this tray. Okay, water is flowing out of this tray and it is basically at 600 ml. Okay, guys, getting it? So 600 ml per second. 1 second it is, the water that is being emptied is 600 ml. What they're asking is basically calculate the time taken in minutes and seconds for the trough to be emptied, or for this tray to be emptied. How many minutes and seconds it will take for the tray to be emptied? Okay, getting it, guys? Clear with me? Following? Understood? So how will we do this? Okay. How will we do this? So let's try to understand okay, how we can do this. For this is also for 3 marks. Okay. So it will be, first thing we should know that 1 liter is 1,000 ml. Okay. This is also the conversion. 1 liter, because we are dealing in ml now, na? Milliliters. Okay. So 1 liter is 1,000 ml. Guys, can you hear me? So if we have, how much liters we have? We have, sir, 206.4 liters, right? Everyone got it? We have 206.4 liters. Is everyone there with me following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much it will be? So 206.4 liters will this be? It will be 206,400 ml. Okay. 206,400 ml. The same thing, right? 206,400 ml we have. And again, now you'll write it down here. If 1 second is taking out 600 ml of water, so how much seconds it will take to get out 206,400 ml? Getting it? Just conversion things, okay? 1 second में 600 ml water leak out हो रहा है. If we have 206,400 ml liters of water, how many seconds it will take? Just divide it. 206,400 by 600. I am getting it as 344 seconds. Is everyone getting it, guys? Clear? We are getting this as 344 seconds. Everyone got this, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Also, this is not difficult. It's just thinking skills matters when you have to think on your own. So you will get it as well. Okay, 344 seconds is the answer, sir. But we need, so 2 marks we have got up till now. In order to get the third mark, 2 marks we have got. Third mark we have to convert into minutes and seconds. So it is very simple, sir. We already know basic things. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So if we divide this by 60, we will get in minutes and seconds. Everyone getting it? So, sir, 344 divided by 60 is coming something 5 point something. Everyone getting it? 5.73. So it will be, sir, 5 minutes. And then the remaining can be multiplied with the 60. Getting it, guys? So 5 minutes and 44 seconds is the answer. Is everyone getting it? Everyone got how I convert? Let me explain. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And there's a measurement technique as well in your calculator. This is like this thing. Okay. If you follow everyone, this is the measurement as well available in the calculator. You can press that button as well. We have got 5.73. Out of that, 5 means the minutes, 5 minutes, and 0.73 means the second. So you can convert it 0.073 minute because 0.073 is the minute. So 0.73 minute multiplied by 60 will give us 44 seconds. Guys, got it? Can I move forward? Come on, quick. Let me know so we can move forward then.
Yes, sir.
Has everyone got this? Sure about it? No problem, right? No issues. Understood? Got it? Then, very simple. We have to calculate the radius of the tank. Why? What's happening, sir? Because all the water that we have from this tray is emptied into a cylindrical tank. Okay. So what's happening that all the water from the tray is being entered in this cylinder, and we can say that the cylinder is full empty. Getting it, guys? The cylinder is becoming full empty. The depth of the water or whatever, let's say it is coming only till here. Okay. Let us say, so the depth of the water is now 84 centimeters. So what we need to understand, we already have all the, because all the water is being emptied, sir. So all the water means the volume remains the same. Is everyone getting it? All the water means the volume remains the same. So you can use the same volume of the cylinder. We already know, sir, pi r square. We need to find the radius. We already know the height. Always remember height is equals to depth of the water. Okay, guys, with me, height is equals to depth of the water. These are interchangeable words that can be used. So it will be 84. How many people got it? Anyone who didn't get 44 seconds, let me know. I'll explain again quickly. Guys, come on, quick. Anyone who didn't get that thing, 44 seconds. So this is how you will get it. 84 pi is equals to radius square. So radius will be equals to, just put the square root on both sides, sir. So radius will be square root of 206,400 divided by 84 pi. I'm getting it as 27.96. Right? Everyone getting with me following? 27.96 something. So you can write it down. To 28 centimeter is the radius. Let me know how many got it, guys. Clear? Understood? Everyone with me following?
Yes, sir.
Everyone getting it clear, guys? Following?
Yes,
Any
sir.
questions, any doubts? Sure, 44 seconds and this thing. Let's repeat it. Depth of the water is called the height. So because all the water is being coming down, this is telling us that all the water is going down, okay? All the water is going emptied into the tank, and we have the height given. We have to find the radius. Just have to apply the volume of the cylinder thing by just remembering that the volume of that volume of the tray will be equals to the volume of cylinder now, because the water is being all going in the cylinder. Is everyone got this? Water is all going in the cylinder. Guys, understood? Clear? Move forward, right? Hello, understood? Do take a screenshot. Any questions? Let me know, guys. Hello. Everyone got this? Sure about it? No problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what we have is basically the tank is 60% full. Okay. So next we have is the tank is 60% full. So what is going to happen? The tank is 60% full now. Calculate the height of the tank. So what we need to understand, students, is basically now the tank is not full. It is 60% full. Okay. So we can work it out by two methods. Okay. The easy method is basically this one, because it is linked with part two. Part C it is linked with. We already know that the depth of the water in the tank is 84. Understanding? So they are in relation. Okay. Getting it, the depth of the water and 60% full. जितना वाटर होगा उतनी डेप्थ तो बढ़ेगी. एवरीवन गेटिंग इट? जितना वाटर ज्यादा ऊपर तक होगा उतनी डेप्थ ऊपर होगी. जितना वाटर कम होगा, क्योंकि अब टैंक कम है, तो हाइट भी कम होगी. सो वी कैन से दैट 60% ऑफ दैट हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 84 centimeter. Understanding? कि 60% of that height is now equals to 84. Getting it, guys? Clear? So that's how you can find the height. Okay, 84 divided by 60%, so it will be 84 divided by 0.6. You will get it as 140 centimeter. Is everyone getting the technique here?
Yes, sir.
Guys, understood the technique? Okay. What we are saying, that the height will be equivalent to the depth of the water. If it is 100% height, then the 100% water is occupied. 60% height, which means depth of the water is now equals to 60%. Understanding? Got it? That's how you can do it. Okay. Clear on that? Any questions? Let me know any problems. Hello.
No, sir.
Anyone?
Clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Next thing is part D for 4 marks. Okay. We have to basically calculate again the trigonometry thing. Calculate the length of the rod steel AM. They are explaining what is AM, okay? So we have to find this, sir. And always remember 3D shape, we can only find it when we do Pythagoras theorem and those things, okay? So here we go. M is the midpoint they have mentioned. M is the midpoint on the top edge of the opposite face. A is a vertex. A is the base of it's the same diagram, okay, guys? It's the same diagram. It's just they are changing it. You can see 50, 36, 40 centimeter and 1.2 meter. You just have to work it out again. The same thing that this will be the height and this will be the triangle forming here. Okay, everyone got it, guys? Clear? So let me make it separate for everyone so everyone can get this clearly. Is everyone getting it, guys? Clear? So here we go, sir. That is what we are talking about. We have to find the length of AM, and this is basically our 90-degree being formed. Students need to understand M is the midpoint, so this is the height, sir. The height is exactly same at whatever this height is, which is 40 centimeter. So one measurement you already have, students. Getting it, everyone? 40 centimeter, the measurement, one of the measurement we already have. Is everyone getting it? 40 centimeter, one of the measurement we already have. Understood? This is what we have to find. So why they are giving 4 marks? They are giving 4 marks because you will have, let's say this is X, okay? You will have to find AX first. And how will you find AX? That is important and tricky to understand. AX will be this thing times of this thing, okay? Another right angle triangle will have to form. Is everyone with me following, guys? Clear? So AX will be this thing to form. So how will you get that AX, sir? Follow carefully. Let's call it P. P, A, X, okay? So what you should know is basically following the highlighter. Everyone getting it? This measurement, the green color measurement
Yes, sir.
will be this thing that is half of 36 because M is the midpoint, so it will be half of it. So 36 divided by 2 is, sir, 18 centimeter. And everyone knows if this is 1.2, that blue line will be also 1.2 meter. Because we are dealing in centimeter, we can write down 120 centimeter is AP. I'm repeating it, okay, guys? AP is 120 centimeter, PX is 18 centimeter, okay? Understood? So you will say that, sir, AX square is equals to 18 square plus 120 square. Has everyone got it? 18 square plus 120 square will be this thing. So we got 14,724 as AX square. We got AX square as 14,1724. We are going to use that, sir, to get the AM value. Okay, the length of the rod AM square will be 14,724 plus 40 square. Just do as much working as possible, guys. Understood? Getting it? So it will be 16,324. And here you go, AM square. You will have to do the square root to get the answer. Understood? Got it? Any questions? Let me know. So I got it as 127.765. Rounded off to one decimal place, 127.8 can be the answer. Okay, understood? Got it, guys? Or you can write it 128 as well, but let's write it 127.8 centimeter. How many people got it? Understood? Two
Yes, sir.
times Pythagoras theorem needs to be applied. Simple, just like that. 2 times you have to apply Pythagoras theorem to get these type of measurements in the 3D shapes. Okay. The simple formula remains the same. 3D shape, Pythagoras theorem will have to be applied to solve. Okay. So take a screenshot of this as well. Understood, guys?
Sir,
Got it clear? जी bole.
the 14,724, weren't you supposed to square root it?
हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं बट फिर वापस स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा ना ए एम के फाइंड करने के लिए. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन कि आपने ए एक्स फाइंड कर लिया. अगर आप उसको ए एक्स को स्क्वायर रूट कर देंगे तो आपको ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एम एक्स स्क्वायर तो वापस करना पड़ेगा ना. अंडरस्टैंडिंग, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको वापस नहीं करा. आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
मतलब मैंने उसी को यूज किया कि मैं वापस स्क्वायर नहीं करूंगा. मैंने ऑलरेडी स्क्वायर किया हुआ है तो सिर्फ 40 के स्क्वायर करूंगा एंड देन एट द एंड द लास्ट स्क्वायर रूट. ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि कैलकुलेटर एंड में यूज हो बिल्कुल. अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर द स्क्वायर रूट डेसिमल वैल्यूज ना तो बेहतर कोई एग्जैक्ट आंसर आता है. ओके guys, got it
Okay,
clear?
thank you, sir.
Understood on this? October November 20 paper 4-3, this question number 5 is also done. Clear? Got it? So we'll continue from here in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye. Good luck. ठीक है जी.